In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel spreadsheets. We will link data from one workbook to another so changes update automatically. First, launch Excel in your device. Open Excel the same way you normally do any program on your computer. When Excel starts, you should see either a blank workbook or a start screen with template thumbnails and a list of recent files along the side. If you see a welcome screen, just leave it open for now. We will use it to open the workbooks we need. Next, open both Excel workbooks. Use the Open option so that each file appears in its own window or tab, depending on your version. You want the workbook that will receive the data and the workbook that already contains the data. Once both are open, confirm you can switch between them at the top of the Excel window, where you will see each workbook name listed. A common beginner mistake is having only the source file open, so double-check that both file names are visible. Now, in your main sheet, type the equal sign in the cell where you want the data. This main sheet is the workbook that should display the final value. Click once on the destination cell, then press the equal key one time. You should see the equal sign appear in the cell and also in the formula bar at the top of Excel. Do not type anything else yet, and do not click another cell in the same workbook, because that would create a local formula instead of a link between spreadsheets. From there, click over to the second workbook, select the target cell, and press Enter. First, switch to the workbook that contains the original data. You will still see the equal sign waiting in the formula bar. Now click the single cell that you want to pull data from. Excel will highlight that cell, and its address appears next to the workbook and sheet name in the formula bar. Once the correct cell is selected, press the Enter key. You will be taken back to the main sheet, and the value from the other workbook now appears in your destination cell. If you ever pick the wrong cell by mistake, you can simply undo and repeat this step. After that, Excel creates a dynamic link like this. In the formula bar, you will see a reference that includes the source workbook name, the sheet name, and the cell address. That tells you Excel is reaching into the other file every time it calculates. When the number in the source cell changes and the workbook is open, the linked cell in your main sheet updates to match. This connection lets you keep one central report while maintaining detailed data in separate files. You just connected two Excel spreadsheets with a live formula link, so your main workbook updates whenever the source data changes. If this helped you pull data together more smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more Excel tips.